Why do HVAC technicians get paid so little even with degrees and certifications, especially in places like Texas where demand is always high and the work is tough? Honestly, it's wild. Like, you go through all that schooling, drop a few $1,000s on certifications, and then jobs are offering $14 an hour? That's not just frustrating, it's kind of disrespectful considering how essential heating and cooling are, you know? One big thing is, there are just a ton of HVAC techs right now, so companies lowball people because they think someone will take it. Plus, a lot of employers see new grads as green and don't want to pay until you've got a few years under your belt, which sucks when you already know your basics like superheat or subcooling. If you want $25 an hour or more, it helps to specialize, like get good with smart home systems or commercial refrigeration, not just residential stuff. Don't sleep on networking either. Talk to other techs, ask around about which companies actually treat people right or offer overtime. Yelp is cool for finding businesses, but try local Facebook groups or trade unions for real talk about pay and company culture. If you're working in a state like Texas where summers are brutal, remind hiring managers that their business literally doesn't run without you. Confidence goes a long way, but back it up with skills. One of the biggest mistakes new HVAC techs make is accepting the first lowball offer because they're desperate to get started. Use salary search engine optimization keywords, like competitive HVAC technician salary Texas, to research going rates and be ready to negotiate. Another common issue is not keeping up with the latest HVAC technology and certifications. Staying current makes you way more valuable and lets you ask for higher pay, so keep an eye on trending skills like energy efficiency upgrades or smart thermostats. Finally, a lot of folks forget how much reputation matters. If your work is solid and customers leave good reviews on platforms like Yelp or Google, use those as leverage in pay discussions or when applying for better jobs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local HVAC pros who actually know their stuff, so you don't have to waste time guessing if a company is legit or not. If you're a contractor looking for steady work or more visibility, BigHomeProjects.com helps you get found by homeowners who care about quality and reliability.